Good day everyone. Today we're gonna introduce this machine.
This machine is called Laboratory Planetary Ball Mill. It is used in laboratories to grind, mix, and reduce materials into extreme fine particles.
It's widely used in material science, nanotechnology, pharmaceutical research, and even battery development. Here's how it works. The grinding jar sits in the rotating platform. As the platform spins, the jar rotates in the opposite direction. This creates extremely high centrifugal forces.
So, inside the jars are small grinding balls. As everything rotates, the balls collide with the material at high speed, crushing it into ultra-fine powder.
Start button. This button turns the machine on. Stop button. Use this to manually stop the milling process. Emergency stop button. The large red button is the emergency stop. Speed control knob or digital speed buttons. These control the rotation speed of the sand wheel. Turning the knob or pressing the up and down buttons increase or decrease the speed. Load your sample and grinding balls, keeping a ball to powder ratio of about 10 to 1. Never fill the jar more than 1/3 of its volume. Before starting, make sure the jars and grinding balls are clean and dry. Balance the jars evenly. Choose the right materials for the jars and ball to avoid contamination. On the turntable to prevent vibration. Secure the lids tightly and check that all components are properly aligned. Once the jars are in one place, lock them firmly to prevent movement during operation. Display screen. The digital display shows real-time information such as speed, time remaining, and operational status. It helps you monitor the process at a glance. Set the desired rotation, speed, and milling time on the control panel. As the platform and jars rotate, the grinding balls are lifted along the inner wall of the jar due to centrifugal force. For most material, speeds between 200 and 800 revolutions per minute work well. As the rotation continues, the ball reaches a certain height before gravity overcomes the centrifugal pull. At that moment, the balls are projected across the chamber. Pause emergency button. Temporarily halts the milling process without resetting the timer or speed settings. Now, let's examine what actually happens inside the grinding chamber. After milling, allow the jars to cool before opening. A planetary ball mill consists of a main turntable, called the sand wheel, and several grinding jars mounted on it. Each jar contains grinding balls and the materials to be processed. The jars rotate around their own axis while orbiting the sand wheels, creating a powerful combination of impact and friction force. Clean the jars and balls thoroughly to avoid cross-contamination for future experiments.
Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation made it easier to understand how a laboratory planetary ball mill works.
Subscribe for more in-depth insights on how modern technology really works. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye!